Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Codecraft with Oshan. If you are completely new to programming and don't know what a programming language is, I highly recommend watching my previous video first. It will help you understand today's lesson much more easily. In today's video, we are going to learn about Java, one of the most popular programming language in the world. We will discuss what is Java, its history, why we use it, what is platform independence, what is Java SC, JDK, JVM, LTS version, and how a Java program actually works inside a computer. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. First of all, let's understand the most important question. What exactly is Java? Java is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is used by students, software developers, and large companies to build different types of applications. So the Java was developed by Sun Microsystem and officially released in 1995. One reason Java became so popular, this is because it is simple to learn and more secure and can run on different operating systems. Throughout this series, Java will be our primary programming language, so understanding these fundamentals is very important. So, now that we know what is Java, let's take a step back and see how Java actually started. Java was developed by James Gosling and his teams at Sun Microsystem. The project started in 1991. Interestingly, Java wasn't originally called Java. Its first name was Oak. Later, the name was changed to Java and officially released in 1995. As the internet started growing, Java gained popularity because developers could write programs that work across different systems. In 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystem and became responsible for maintaining Java. So that's a brief story of Java. But if Java was created more than 13 years ago, why are developers still using it today? Let's find out. Java continues to be one of the most widely used programming language because it offers many advantages. First, Java is relatively easy to learn and understand, making it helps developers build well-organized and reusable softwares. Another major advantage is platform independence. A Java program can run on different operating systems without changing the code. Java is also known for its security and reliability, which is why many banking systems, enterprises applications, and large organizations use it. Additionally, Java has a huge developer community, meaning there are plenty of learning resources, libraries, and support available. So one of the advantage we just discussed was platform independence. But what exactly does platform independence mean? Let's understand that next. So what is this platform independence? Java follows a very important principle called write once, run anywhere, commonly known as WORA. This means that developer can write a Java programs once and run it on different operating systems. For example, the same Java application can run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS without rewriting the code. This is possible because Java uses a special component called the Java Virtual Machine or the JVM. The JVM acts as a bridge between the Java program and the operating system, allowing the same code to work across different platforms. This feature made Java extremely popular among software developers. So now that we understand one of Java's most powerful features, let's look at the important Java addition that every beginner should know about. So what is this Java SC? So the Java SC stands for Java Standard Edition. It is the foundation of Java programming and provides the core benefits like libraries, tools required to develop Java applications. When most people start learning Java, they begin with Java SE. It contains the essential features needed to create desktop application and understand core Java concepts. In simple terms, Java SE provides everything a beginner needs to start their programming language journey. To actually create Java application, we need more than just Java's standard edition. We also need a set of development tools. So this brings us to the JDK. What is JDK? Let's check it out. So the JDK stands for Java Development Kit. You can think of the JDK as a complete toolbox for a Java developers. It contains several important components, including the Java compiler, the Java virtual machine, libraries, and development tools. Whenever a developer wants to write, compile, and run Java programs, the JDK must be installed on the computer. Without the JDK, developing Java application would not be possible. One of the most important components inside the JDK is the JVM. So let's see what role it plays. So the JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. The Java Virtual Machine is responsible for running Java programs. Computers cannot directly understand Java source code, as we previously talked. Instead, they understand machine code. The Java Virtual Machine acts as a translator between the Java program and the computer. So it reads Java bytecodes and converts it into machine code that the operating system can execute. This is also reason why Java programs can run on multiple operating systems. Without the JVM, platform independence would not be possible. Before we learn how Java programs are executed, let's briefly look at Java versions that are commonly used in industry. You may have heard developers mention versions such as Java 8, Java 11, Java 17, or Java 21, Java 25. These are known as LTS version. What is this LTS version means? So the LTS stands for long-term support. These versions receive update, bug fixes, and security patches for a long period of time because of their stability and reliability. Most companies prefer using LTS version for real-world projects. Among them, Java 17 and Java 21 are currently some of the most popular choices. Mine as well. So now that we understand Java and its important components, let's see what actually happens when we run a Java program. The journey of a Java program begins when a programmer writes codes inside a file, the .java extension. Once the code is written, the Java compiler converts it into a bytecode. The bytecode is stored in a file with the .class extension, not .java. Next, the JVM reads the bytecode file. The JVM then converts the bytecode into machine code that the computer can understand. So finally, the operating system executes those instructions and produces the required output. Although several steps are involved, this entire process happens within a fraction of a second. Every Java application you run follows the same execution process. So that's the complete journey of a Java program, from source code to output. So, alright everyone, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. So today we learned what Java is, the history of Java, why Java is widely used, what is platform independence, what Java is C, what JDK, JVM, LTS version, and how a Java program works. So these concepts from the foundation of Java programming will help you understand future lessons much more easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification all so you won't miss upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching. In the next video we'll install Java, set up VS Code and write our very first Java program together. So until then, keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye guys.